Hello everyone, this is Nisha Sharma. So students, this video is for the students of 5th and 6th standard. As I have already given you the bookwork of 1st and 2nd chapter, which is sentences and noun, for both the classes, 7th, 6th and 5th and 6th. So students, see, now I'll come to reading part of grammar section. See, in reading part we have comprehensions. So I have got some of the students have asked me. Their query was that, ma'am, why we are not getting comprehension part. So see students, I'll be giving you comprehension part in a worksheet form, because जो comprehension part होता है, that is also known as unseen passages. So see, I cannot do it with you. All the comprehension parts from the book itself, because see, comprehension is the only thing, the unseen passage, which you get then and there on the spot when you get the question paper. So that is why I'll be giving you all the unseen passages in worksheet form, so that you can solve it by your own, and then if you have any doubt regarding that, you can ask me. Second is, there are descriptive writing. See, descriptive writing is to describe something, like हम किसी चीज को describe करते हैं. Like if I'll give you some sort of, like I'll give a topic, or I'll give you something to describe over there. If suppose I'll also give you an example over there, how you can describe, and then again I'll give you some other topic where you have to describe, and you have to write it in descriptive way, where you are describing. Is that clear? Hope it is clear to you all. But also, if you have any query, you can ask me. So for now, do your work, whatever has been given, and comprehension I have already explained you. You'll be getting it in worksheet form, I told you. And rest, descriptive writing and all are there. So I'll be giving you along with the example, so don't get confused. You'll be able to do it by the help of that example itself. Students, one more thing is there in unseen passages. Before you answer question, please read unseen passage more than 2 or 3 times. Because more and more you'll read, more and more you'll understand. Before giving answer to that questions, please read the passage carefully, read it again and again, so that you'll be able to give the answer in correct form. So hope you have understood, and all your doubt might have cleared. And if also you're having any doubt, as I told you before, you can ask me. So we'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care. Thank you.